this is the Las Vegas News. I'm Miss Sunny, and I'm your news anchor for today. Now let's talk about that nasty winter weather in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now to our weather person, Miss Stormy.
Hello, I'm Miss Stormy, and I'm going to teach you about what's going on in this weather map behind me. Here you can see Nevada, and more specifically Las Vegas. There's a cold front coming down south, and there's right here and here, there's a warm front going north. There's going to be slight precipitation, about 0.50 inches, and the temperature is going to be roughly 38 degrees Fahrenheit. There's going to be a slight wind, but not enough to blow your house away. Back to you, Miss Sunny.
Well, Miss Stormy, I think we should explain all those weather terms for the viewers at school. First thing, you must know that the sun is the major source of thermal energy here on Earth. And you also must know that there are 3 types of heat transfers. Convection, which is when hotter, less dense air or water rises, and colder, denser water or air sinks. Conduction, which is when heat transfers directly into an object with less heat. And finally, convection, when heat is transferred through waves. Why is this so important, you ask? Well, convection is the source of the wind and ocean currents. But now let's get back to Miss Sunny to explain the weather map.
So what I'm standing in front of is called a weather map, or a map to show the current or forecast weather in a specific area. This semicircle represents a weather front, or a border between 2 different masses of air at different temperatures. These red semicircles represent a warm front, or when a warm mass of air goes into a different area with colder air. These blue triangles represent a cold front, or when a cold mass of air goes into a warmer area. This is the temperature right now. This represents the precipitation, which could be snow, sleet, hail, rain, and that is our city. Back to you, Miss Sunny.
What's this? Oh no, there seems to be a problem. Let's go to Miss Stormy to find out what it is.
Oh no, there seems to be a flash flood coming to Las Vegas from a tropical storm in California. Because of the desert ecosystem, the land isn't equipped to hold against a flood. The loose sediment will erode away, carrying some of the plants rooted in it. The animals who are dependent on that plant will scramble to find another food source. Well, better evacuate quickly, Nevada. Back to you, Miss Sunny.
Thank you, Miss Stormy. Now, audience, I bet you're wondering, how can they possibly predict the weather? Well, meteorologists, or weather people, use a barometer, which is an instrument that measures the pressure in the area. By the way, the colder the air, the greater the air pressure. So that's pretty much all you need to know. Now, let's go do vocab and review. Firstly, we are going to review the 3 ways of heat transfer.
Convection, or the movement of hot air or water rising and colder air or water sinking.
And wind and ocean currents are caused by convection. Conduction, or when a warmer object directly transfers heat to another object with less heat.
Radiation, or when heat is transferred through waves.
Secondly, the major source of heat transfer is the sun.
Thirdly, air pressure is the force created on Earth's surface by the weight of the air above the surface.
Meteorologists measure air pressure by using a barometer. Weather fronts are the border between 2 different air masses on Earth's surface.
And there are 2 types of weather fronts: warm fronts, when a warm mass of air goes into a colder area, and cold fronts, when a cold mass of air goes into a warmer area.
A hurricane is formed when thunderstorms rotate around a low-pressure area with warm water to supply the fuel. And when the wind speed gets to a certain level, a hurricane is formed. Well, I guess that's all. Bye.
Bye-bye.